My people, I welcome you once again to Scatter Physics, your number one solution in all physics calculation. Do well to like, subscribe, and follow my page so that you get update first-hand information as I drop. Now we have the third question under gravitational acceleration. A carpenter working at a construction site mistakenly dropped his hammer from a height of 125 meters. How long does it take to reach the ground? This question now is trying to point at somebody that is working at a site. Mistakenly, the hammer fell off. Now they are asking you, how long is it going to take for you to do what? Reach what? The ground. If you look at this question, you understand that it's asking you about what? The time. What time is it going to take to do what? To reach what? The ground. So we come to what? Solution. And we have this formula which is height. H is equals to UT plus 1 over GT raised to power 2. Now we have that our height is equal to what? 125 meters. Then we have our center of gravity, which is what? 10 normally. Gravity to what? 10. Call it gravitational acceleration. Now we have initial velocity from the point where the hammer took off, 0. Now with this now, we are going to apply this to what? This formula that we have now. And we have that our height is what? 125. So we have 125 equals to, our initial is 0 times t plus 1 over 2 times g is what? 10 times t raised to power what? 2. 125 equals to 0 times t is what? 0 plus 1. Okay. 2 divided by 10 is what? 5. So we have 1 times 5 is what? 5 times t is what? 5 what? Okay. 5 times t raised to power 2. Now we come again. 125 equals to 0 plus 5 is what? 5. 5 times t is what? T raised to power 2. Now we are going to use 5 to divide what? On both sides. 5 divided by both sides, divide itself 1. Now 5 divided by 125 is what? 25. So we have t square equals what? 25. Now t is equals to square root of 25. Square root of 25, and I normally like getting a square root without what? Without calculator. So to get the square root of 25, write 25. What will go? 5. 5 divided by 25 is 5. 5 again, 5, 1. Then I said that when you are looking about square root, if you have the same true value, you call it what? 1. So if the true value is up to 10, the 1 that you pick, you call it 1. The other one you pick 2, call it 1. So we have only two value, which is what? 5, 2, 5, which we are going to call it what? 5. So square root of 25 is what? 5. 5 seconds. So this is where we are going to stop for today. Thank you for watching. Do well to like, share, subscribe. Please help me, I'm begging you. If you like what I'm doing, help me to repost my video to your page. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Have a nice day.